Heyon, welcome back to my channel. If you're planning to start a YouTube channel or maybe rebrand your existing one of the most important decisions you'll ever make is choosing the perfect channel name. Why? Because your channel name is the first impression people get about your content. It's like your brand identity, and it can make the difference between someone clicking on your video or scrolling past. But here's the problem. Millions of channels already exist, so how do you find a unique, creative, and memorable name that really represents you? Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Stick with me until the end, because I'm going to break down step by step how you can come up with a unique YouTube channel name, mistakes to avoid, and even share some tools and examples to make the process easier for you. Part 1. Why your YouTube channel name matters. Before we jump into the steps, let's quickly understand why your YouTube name is so important. It's your brand identity. Just like Nike or Apple, your YouTube name is what people will remember. It helps with SEO and discoverability. A smartly chosen name can actually make you easier to find on YouTube search. It shows professionalism. A clear, simple name tells your audience that you're serious about your channel. It creates connection with your niche. Viewers should instantly get a sense of what your channel is about just by hearing the name. So, if you get this right from the start, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. Part 2. Step-by-step guide to selecting a unique YouTube channel name. Step 1. Identify your niche. First things first, ask yourself, what kind of content will you create? If you're doing tech reviews, your name might reflect technology. If you're making travel vlogs, your name should feel adventurous. Example, instead of just John's channel, you could go for something like Tech with John or John's Travel Vibes. Step 2. Know your audience. Think about who you're trying to attract. Is your content for kids, teens, or adults? A playful name might work for kids, while a professional name works better for business content. Step 3. Keep it short and memorable. Your name should be easy to say, spell, and remember. Avoid long, complicated names. Example, compare the official Ultimate Game Zone channel 123 feet to Game Zone. Which one sticks in your mind? Obviously the shorter one. Step 4. Add personality. This is where uniqueness comes in. Add something personal, your nickname, a unique word, or a creative twist. Example, instead of Cooking with Sarah, you might try Spice and Sarah or Sassy Kitchen. These little twists make you stand out. Step 5. Check availability. Once you have a few ideas, check if the name is available on YouTube and social media. You don't want to build a brand only to find someone else is already using it. Quick tip. Use tools like Namecheck or Noem to check availability across platforms. Step 6. Think long-term. Your content may evolve over time. Avoid names that are too limiting. Example, if you call your channel iPhone Reviews Only, what happens if you later want to cover Android or laptops? Pick something broader like Tech World Reviews so you have room to grow. Step 7. Test it out. Say your channel name out loud. Share it with friends. Ask if it's easy to understand. Sometimes a name sounds good in your head but feels awkward when spoken. Part 3. Extra tips and mistakes to avoid. Alright, before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips and common mistakes people make. Tips. Use keywords related to your niche if possible. Mix two unrelated words to create something fresh. Use rhymes, alliteration, or catchy phrases. Mistakes to avoid. Don't copy other big channels. It looks unoriginal. Don't use numbers and random symbols, unless necessary. Avoid offensive or confusing words. Remember, the best names are simple, unique, and brandable. Part 4. Examples of great YouTube channel names. Let's look at a few examples. Mr. Beast. Short, unique, and unforgettable. Think Media. Simple, clear, tells you what it's about. Dude Perfect. Fun, catchy, and totally unique. Ali Abdaal. Just his real name, but personal branding works perfectly. So you don't need to overcomplicate it. A unique twist or your own identity can work wonders. And there you have it. That's the step-by-step guide to finding a unique and memorable YouTube channel name. Now it's your turn. Start brainstorming names today. Write down at least 20 options, narrow it down, and test them out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And comment below, what channel name are you thinking about? I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.